Hello friends, welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to use the XLOOKUP function in Google Sheets. As you can see in the screen, here I have a data of products and their quantity sold in different stores. My requirement is to pull the information of quantity sold here in this sheet number 2. When I select a different product from here, then the values should be automatically updated. In this case, we can use the XLOOKUP function. Click on the first cell, press equal to, then type XLOOKUP, bracket open. In the search key, click on this product name, then put a comma. In the lookup range, go to this XLOOKUP sheet, then select the product name range because we have to see the product name, then put a comma. In the result range, select this quantity sold range, close bracket, then press enter, and here you see the values are pulled from this sheet to this sheet. These are the quantity sold for washing machine. If you change the product name from here, let me take television, the result will automatically change. So that was the basic example of using XLOOKUP in Google Sheets. We can do so much more with XLOOKUP function, which we will cover in the other video tutorials. Thank you very much for watching. See you again in next tutorial.